This is the screen that you will see as soon as you're done setting up an account. This screen will allow you to create a poll. By choosing the poll activity type here from the ribbon, you can begin to create your poll. Or, by clicking this red box, this is the screen you will see every time you return to log in. So if we go up here to create, this will bring you right back to the creation with the activity type listed here in the ribbon, and then it begins to answer your questions. Let's begin to create a survey. Our options, we have a multiple choice, word cloud, Q&A, rank order, clickable image, survey, open-ended, and more options through here. For this video, let's create a survey. This will give us an option to ask multiple types of questions in the survey area. So let's call this favorite colors. Now, you may have noticed that there is no Likert style type. By using the multiple choice question and a little creativity, we can turn this multiple choice into a Likert style type of question. So red is my favorite color. And in here, let's put 1 as strongly disagree, 2 as disagree. Let's add more options. 3, we'll just leave that as neutral or blank. 4 as agree. And one more, 5 for strongly agree. Then we will ask a second question. Let's use our ranking order. Order the following colors to your likeness. Let's do red, blue, and green. And let's ask a third question for an open-ended text. What is your favorite color? And now let's create.